So in today's video, we are going to do some Jamaican barbecue chicken wings. You hear that right? Jamaican barbecue chicken wings, and this is the finishing that you're looking on the screen. So we're going to dive into how we season these wings and get it done. Okay? So first thing first, we have to wash our meat with some lemon, some lime. Yes, put lime on the chicken and wash it, or vinegar, whichever one you want to do. So we're gonna wash it and then put it in the drainer to drain the water. So we're gonna dive in with some Jamaican jerk season, and this is 7 pounds of chicken wings. I am only using 1 tablespoon of this Jamaican jerk seasoning. Yes, 1 tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose. Yes. So we're going to go in with a little bit of cayenne pepper, not a lot, because we don't want it to be too spicy. Then we're going to go in with my blended seasoning. And in this seasoning, we have blended garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, and a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. Right. When you're doing barbecue, you don't want it to be too spicy. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt, and this is sea salt. It's not that strong. Okay, so next thing, get our gloves and we're gonna rub that seasoning in. We have to make sure that the season get on every part of these wings. Because when you bite into it, you wanna taste that seasoning. Yes. So get into it and rub in that season. So what I'm gonna do is to clean up this, clean up around it, and then I'm going to use this. So right now I'm just cleaning up the dish and then just put it in the fridge till tomorrow. So let's get into how I'm going to barbecue this chicken. I put it in the pan, put it in the oven on 400 degree. 45 minutes later, I take it out and I'm going to add the sauce to it. Yes, that's what it looks like on 400 degree. So I'm just going to put the barbecue sauce on the chicken, put it back into the pan and put it in the oven on 350 degree. And I'm just going to leave it there until it cooks. How I make the barbecue sauce, I had a regular barbecue sauce, but I had a little ketchup to it. Yes. And I had a tubes of paprika to it and a little bit of sugar to give it that flavor. And also, sometimes I add a little bit of browning in there to help, give it that color. So I just remade the sauce because the barbecue sauce that I buy on shelf, it never gives my chicken the taste that I want it to be. So I don't bother, I just try to do it. But this is the finishing of the chicken, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section how you do your barbecue chicken and what you want me to cook next. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye. God bless. Mwah. Enough love. Big up on yourself. So I am back in the same outfit because I just finished edit my barbecue wings video. You know, when you do a content, you are not going to put everything in the video. So I want it to be short and spicy. If somebody is going to do a barbecue wings video, they will be able to just do their video. If they don't want to watch me at the end talking a little bit about it, they don't have to. So I'm just doing these little clips at the end of the video so that it won't annoy everybody, but at least you guys get to see me, right? So I did the oxtail, the barbecue wings, the mashed potato, and some vegetable and rice and peas for New Year's dinner. So as I talked in previous video before, my daughter was the one who said to start doing them separately, record everything, but show them in different videos, because sometimes people just want to do a little mashed potato. Sometimes somebody just want to know how to cook the oxtail only. But when I'm cooking 5-6 dish, it get hard for them to understand. And she YouTube things all the time, and she wouldn't want to watch the video that have 5 different menu. And I get it, it's truth. So from now on, I'm gonna try my very best, unless I'm on my live cooking with Madonna's them, I won't be doing 5 different dish in one video anymore. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you agree with my daughter saying that. Let me know. It's okay. You can't sell me out if you no want. That's fine. Me alright with it. You understand? So let me know in the comment section if you agree with she. And what's the next dish you want me to cook? Me still ask. Put it in the comment section. There's this gentleman that asked me to cook a seafood, and I did it. Not lobster. And I did the lobster, but I haven't seen him in that comment section, so I hope he did not miss that video. So if you are watching this one, let me know if you get a chance to watch the lobster cook up in coconut milk video. Okay, I think he live in England, something like that. But and I have a couple Africans who asked me to cook ackee and saltfish and some other stuff, but I already cooked them already. So drop it in the comment section what you want me to cook. And as I said before, I might, just might, start cooking different culture food, like different Caribbean food. I want to try Africa food, you know, Jamaican cooking, African food. Yeah. But you know, anything me I cook, I'm gonna put my own twist to it. If I even watch a video, I was talking to someone yesterday, and they said that if I have a mentor on YouTube, and I said, not really, like in a niche. And I said, no, I haven't watched anybody on YouTube that cooks, to be honest. I watch videos on YouTube, but you know, and she's new on YouTube too, and I really liked her. The dishwasher go off. I really liked her, and I watch her, and I'm learning from her. So it's like, it's really nice to, you know, I reach out to her. We have a one-on-one conversations. It was very nice. Yeah, her name is Riva Reveal. Very nice lady. So, you know, I don't have mentor like that on YouTube, but I really like she. I watch Auntie Donna. I watch Dimes, but Dimes not on YouTube like that. So Riva and Dimes and a few more people I do watch, but not where I have that model. I've been on YouTube for a minute now, but I really don't like have a role model on there. Somebody that, you know, I looked up to and they're doing the niche that I'm doing or stuff like that. I don't have that. But sometimes you gotta watch people that in the same niche that you have, and I wasn't thinking about it like that. Sometimes it actually help you to direct you where you want to be if you want to grow. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, sleep up, Sleep I do me bad. So I'm gonna sleep now. I just finished edit the video, and I will upload it maybe in another day or two. So you guys will see the videos that I do. Videos take a lot of time. It's work. Editing, it's a job, because it takes me like 4 hours to edit and put these videos together. It's not easy. People think YouTube is an easy job. It's not. Anyway, big up on yourself. More blessings and prosperity. God bless you. No, enough love. Bye.